Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I had to say this, but what are we doing?
What are we doing?
We've come to buy
Coming to loot.
an engagement ring. Mohit is gonna propose Steph.
Cold feet, I'm cold feet. I think I might just walk out. That's a sign. Don't propose.
Shut up. Yes, we've come to buy an engagement ring. They think that I'm the wife because I've come with him. But हमने बहुत स्लाइली मैंने बहुत स्लाइली स्टेफ की रिंग साइज ली है. हर रिंग फिंगर इज़ इक्वल टू माई लेफ्ट हैंड्स मिडिल फिंगर एंड मैं कल से यही ट्राई कर रही हूँ कि हमें परफेक्ट साइज मिल जाए, परफेक्ट डिज़ाइन भी मिल जाए, है ना मोहित?
Where were you? Where were you?
Sareen, do you want to ask someone out with this ring? Mohit Hiranandani is damn confused. Mohit has decided his design. Nikal. Sure. This is what he likes. This is what he likes.
Rest I'll move out.
Yes.
You've decided one design.
I think it's really pretty.
It is
Prominent.
very pretty. What were you saying?
I was saying कि after Mohit's proposal, my mom will say कि तू क्या कर रहा है अपनी ज़िंदगी में, तू भी सीख ले उससे.
और मैं सोच रही हूँ मैं खुद के लिए रिंग खरीद के खुद को ही प्रपोज कर लूँ.
ये सब खुद की फेवरेट है यार.
कोई तो देने वाला है नहीं, खुद के लिए कर लेते हैं.
तेरे लिए बहुत हाई स्टैंडर्ड है यार. तेरे को सारे मिलेगा
मैं
मिलेगा.
इतना बड़ा सॉलिटर लूँगी. सुन लो एनीबडी.
तेरे नाम में फैक्ट्री करवा देता हूँ किसी को.
सेकंड स्टोर.
क्या बोला?
क्या तू क्या बोल रहा था?
बोलो कुछ 10-20
तुझे पता है ना मेरे YouTube पे जाएगा, स्टेफी देखेगी बाद में है.
Just jokes.
प्रॉफिट मार्केट चले ना.
कौन से उसको पता चलने वाला है यार?
अंकल. ओके या सो ही वाज टेलिंग हिज पेरेंट्स गाड़ी में अंकल कहते हैं आर्टिफिशियल लेके देना. पता थोड़ी चल.
वो कौन सा टेस्ट कराने जा रहे हैं?
अभी कोई आ रहा है, सीरियस हो जाओ, सीरियस हो जाओ, कोई आ रहा है. हेलो, यस.
उसका मोनोलॉग खत्म हो गया, अभी तो बंद कर.
शिट. इतना अच्छा इसने वो एक्सप्लेन किया.
बेस्ट पार्ट वही था. I don't have money.
I don't have the money.
I don't have the money.
Proper ring मेरे लिए.
Neither do I have the love.
Slap you. What are you thinking?
मजा नहीं आ रहा.
पता नहीं आ रहा. But simple, pretty but simple design.
कभी किए भी तुमने ना वैसे.
हमको सब कुछ OTT चाहिए.
तो इंदुमती बनेगी बंगोली में. I like to see a ring because I want to propose to somebody.
ये साइड में जो है ये सब कॉकटेल्स टाइप में सब डेली
Right? Yeah, that's about it. I want to propose somebody, so I want a good diamond ring.
Mohit decided.
Yeah.
Kind of. She sent pictures to auntie. Auntie is deciding. And this one is
I'm having coffee.
कॉफ़ी और अपने लिए वॉचेस देख रहे हो. और हम दोनों में डील हुई है. क्या डील हुई है?
So our deal is in future I'll buy through a 2-carat ring,
And I will buy you.
a Rolex, depending that which Rolex I want.
Oh अच्छा. Oh. Ring also depending what I. But 2 कैरेट बोल चुके हो. Shit.
इस साइज थोड़ा छोटा हो
साइज ऑल्टर तो हो सकता है ना.
जाएगा. इसमें आपको बड़ा कर नहीं कर सकते.
ये तो करना तो मुझे 1 वीक तक टाइम लगेगा.
1 week तक टाइम है.
हाँ, ठीक है, वैसे तो करना.
मामा अभी कॉल मत करो.
Now we've liked this. Steffi C.
श्रुति का नंबर तुमको भेजा. श्रुति को उसमें कॉल करो. मेरा आई डोंट हैव चार्ज एट ऑल.
We like this now, but we're looking for more because he wants it to be perfect. पूछो मेरा. मैं पूछती भी
नहीं, मैं ऐसे खोलूंगा ना डब्बा.
हाँ हाँ तो ये सुंदर लगेगा ना.
मछली का मुंह नहीं खोल रहा है, ऐसे खोल रहा है.
कैसे खोलूँगा डब्बा? Where is the excitement? How is the Josh, bro? मेरा बैग अटक गया है.
When someone was trying to get into the show, I already did. Paid.
Just realized I look better without my specs. Oh, and we lied to staff that we have come here. We're going for an audition. Sure.
But I had to plan everything.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
That's so exciting.
I think we've taken it just because we're very tired.
No, I'm not tired.
I'm extremely tired.
Laughing.
Shruti is asking me where's the excitement. I just blew up money right now. You're asking me for my
अभी तक
excitement.
गया नहीं है, okay? Payment होना बाकी है. He's giving you a discount.
ठीक है, तेरे ऐसे फालतू जैसे कपड़े खरीदता रहता है, उससे तो अच्छी चीज़ है।
Oh, by the way, what did you ask him? मेरे को पहली बार आया हूँ.
हाँ, I told him sir give me good discount. मैं पहली बार आया हूँ, पहली बार engagement कर रहा हूँ.
First time.
First time. बाद में you could give me no discounts, but this time first time.
Idiot. Okay, Mohit, now are you excited? Please
Yes.
show me your excitement.
Now I am. If anybody cares, I'm getting married.
Yay! I care. बधाई हो, चिल्ला दे बस एक बार.
सर आपने बोला नहीं है, तुम क्या कर रहे हैं? गाड़ी आती रहती है।
सबको पता है गलती कर रहा हूँ.
चुप.
सब चुप हो गए कि मरवाने जा रहा है, छोड़. ओह सॉरी.
Sorry, staff.
पता है सब गलत. सबको पता है. भाई मत कर शादी. ऐसे मास्क ऐसे मास्क ऊपर करके बोल रहे.
Okay, guys, we're laughing. I am hiding my face because I have a lot of pimples, but I forgot I was vlogging this. We're planning the proposal, and I absolutely forgot. Mohit.
Yeah.
So what did we plan?
Now I'm planning to marry Sareen.
So we've planned almost everything.
Why are you looking there?
Where? I don't know where.
It's like so we're planning everything. नहीं, BTS is funny. I'm also looking there only. It's supposed to
So
look
we
here.
planned everything, and
And we've not planned everything.
we have now. We just have to
We-
make videos.
Listen, Shruti, we've just done everything on paper. Now we have to.
Everything's my idea,
Yeah.
and his.
Now the main part is
एक ही आपने क्या आइडिया दिया मुझे? ऐसे से करियो बिहाइंड द
हाँ, दिखा
कैमरा.
रहे हैं,
बता दो.
बता रही है ना
बताओ.
Yeezy से क्रिसमस ट्री बना है.
फोन लेके यार अगली है क्योंकि वो मीम्स देख रही है जब हमारी ये पूरी प्लानिंग चल रही है. या तो तू अंदर चला जा.
हाँ. अगर तेरा चंद्रिका कॉल आया बीच में.
ओके
हो गया वो सब.
Okay, bye. Mohit, what happened?
क्या हुआ है?
एक्साइटमेंट हो गया तो आएगा. भाई एके ने अपना वॉक कर लिया, बहुत अच्छा दिमाग लगाया. बैठ. कम ऑन, सिट डाउन, सुपर ड्राई. एके बोल रहे हम ऐसा दिखाएंगे स्टेफी को कि श्रुति और एके पागल हो चुके हैं.
हमने ये
श्रुति स्टेफी के साथ गेम खेल रही है, एके मेरे साथ गेम.
हाँ.
उसको लगेगा कि ये भी कहीं किडनैप हुआ और ये इसका अलग गेम चल रहा है.
YouTube वीडियो.
हाँ,
YouTube
ठीक है.
Oh yeah, this is for my YouTube video.
बोल देंगे श्रुति का YouTube वीडियो के लिए. तो अभी जैसे
I
सपोज
got video also. I want to shoot a video. I just told her on call that first I want to shoot a video.
Yeah. It's a
उसको पता नहीं लगे.
हाँ, it's a prank.
Why am I legs looking so funny?
Oh, this is the time मैं भी jump करना चाहती हूँ. पकड़ो इसको.
हाँ, anyway, we will telling her कि जैसे सपोज कर श्रुति उसको बोली कि the next clue is that you have to delete गार्डन्स की. और ये
Phone a friend.
और ये क्लू रहे और ये ऑप्शन रहेगा हमेशा that with every clue you get only 30 seconds to speak to Mohit.
हाँ.
30 seconds मेरे को कहोगे baby what's your clue? I will baby they've asked me to delete this particular game or they've asked me to delete your pictures from the phone. What are you doing? Are you doing it? I'm doing it. Baby, I'm doing it. I'm going to see you. We'll take more pictures later. So they've asked me to delete Garden's games. Fucking if you delete it, well and good. If you don't delete it, maybe they want to make it difficult for us. ऐसा कुछ रखेंगे.
उसको इंटरेस्टिंग लगना चाहिए कि ये भी गेम खेलो. उसको पता ही नहीं, एंड तक पता नहीं चलेगा कि प्रपोजल है. उसको लगेगा कि YouTube वीडियो के लिए भाई हम दो
आइडिया तो तेरा कमाल है यार. एक सेकंड इनके बाद एक और आएगा. हाँ.
हम दोनों दो चल रहे हैं. एक मोहित के साथ चल रहा है, एक स्टेफ के साथ चल रहा है.
हाँ.
मुझे स्टेफ की चॉइस पता है. एंड में जब उसको पता चलेगा कि सब प्लान तेरा था, सब कुछ तेरा था, तो शी बी वेरी हैप्पी। अभी क्या जैसे जैसे तेरे
Plan
को
तो
तेरा
यही का था।
एक वर्षन होगा तेरा, एक होगा इसका, तेरे को ड्रेस चूज करना है उसका
Guys, you have a lot of work.
ड्रेस या कुछ या गाउन या कुछ, तेरे को पता वो क्या सिलेक्ट करेगी?
गाउन नहीं करेगी।
आज नहीं करेगी, क्या करेगी?
वो जीन्स और बुक रहा
नहीं
क्या सिलेक्ट करेगी सर? क्या सिलेक्ट करेगी?
White crop top,
अरे,
blue jeans,
अरे,
and फिला के जूते with
वो-
black,
नहीं,
white transparent bag.
जो
एंड अगर बाल का if it's a good
अगर
hair day
good
then
hair day,
टोपी।
cap. If it's a bad hair day,
Bun.
bun.
सुन, मोहित की चॉइस और तुम्हारी चॉइस, शेफ की चॉइस अगर मिली तो यू विल गेट अ चांस टू कॉल मोहित।
हाँ।
ठीक है?
Yeah.
ठीक है? और जहाँ मिली, ठीक है, और मोहित का हम ना नेक्स्ट इवेंट पे देंगे कि ये मोहित का आंसर था।
शाबाश मेरे शेर.
ये मोहित का आंसर था।
नहीं, you can't jump. Your legs. हाँ.
ठीक है, चलो चलो।
और बाय द वे फर्स्ट को मैंने ड्राइवर को बोल दिया वो मेरी गाड़ी लेके आ जाएगा शुगर के
और
पास.
अगर सपोज मोहित और उसका आंसर मिला,
Oh, then we can have a videographer also shooting
नहीं,
all her
जो उसके
reactions.
साथ रहेगा।
मैं रहूंगी साथ में, videographer भी रहेगा.
हाँ,
फुल टाइम रहेगा क्योंकि तेरा
full
YouTube
time।
है।
अरे हम यार GoPro ले लेंगे यार rent पे।
अरे it's a YouTube video यार, I'll get a videographer.
यार मोहित अगर उसने गाउन सेलेक्ट किया और कलर भी सिलेक्ट सेम किया, ठीक है, क्योंकि जो तू पहनेगी अगर मोहित से
दोनों-
कलर मिला तो तुम दोनों को चांस मिलेगा बात करने का और तुम नेक्स्ट पॉइंट पे जा सकते हो।
दोनों गाउन
हाँ।
ही रखेंगे।
गाउन जो नहीं होंगे,
दोनों गाउन
कलर
होंगे, कोई और कपड़ा नहीं होगा।
कलर
अलग अलग
अगर
होगा।
सपोज कलर ब्लू रखा और
हाँ।
इसने ब्लू सिलेक्ट किया और स्टेफ ने भी ब्लू टिक किया, तो स्टेफ को चांस मिलेगा मोहित से बात करने का।
देखो हम इसमें थोड़ा घपला करेंगे क्योंकि कलर तो एक ही ला रहे हैं हम.
Suppose जैसे-
ठीक है, pastel. Come to finalize the outfits with the boys. And we're looking for a perfect dress/gown for Steffi. I'm not sure. Road se idhar aa jao. I'm not sure if we'll be able to find it here, but we're on it. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Steffi right here, and we are playing a very fun game. तो मैं यहाँ पे हूँ और दूसरी साइड पे मेरी बहन है AK, who's playing the same game with Mohit, and it's like, oh, now I have to reveal what it is. It's a treasure hunt. You have to find Mohit. Mohit has to find you. It's a race. Okay. This is your map.
Okay.
And this is your clue number 1 that you have to
Okay.
make a decision right now.
Can I open?
First, open the map. See the road map.
Okay.
It looks like this. Okay, now open your clue and read it out loud.
Okay. It says level 1. To find Mohit, first thing you have to do is get to your best friend's house. You have to make a choice between Shruti and AK's house or Naina's house. After you've made your choice, get there quick. You don't want to be late. Get there and you'll find something interesting there. Get going.
What is your choice? You have 10 seconds.
Both are my best friends, yaar.
You have to make a choice. That's why both best friends house लिखा है ना, दोनों का नाम दिया है.
Okay, I'll take yours and AK's house.
Okay, good. Rule number 1: hand over your phone.
It's there.
Okay, you're not allowed to use your phone. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
You might get brownie points to call Mohit for 30 seconds, but that is only if he makes the right decision. Okay? We'll see you in my house. Bye.
Bye. Are you excited? I'm super nervous because this map is really getting me nervous. Oh God.
Okay, you're running out of time also, huh? It's a race.
Driver!
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Please hurry up.
Now that you've come to your best friend's house, first sanitize your hands. And now you have to find something. What? You have. मैं कैसे बता दूँ?
Hurry, but what is it? Like,
Something. Just your house. Go and look for it.
is it like a hint? Envelope, paper?
You will get it on your own. That
I
is
found the bill. There's a count. What is this? Level 2. Seems like you've made the right choice now that you're here. Wear this beautiful gown made specially for you. Put on some makeup and head to yours and Momit's favorite restaurant. You again have two options. Make sure you choose the correct one. O Calcutta or Maharaja Bhog. Get there and you'll find your next clue. Don't be late. It's a race between you and Mohit. I'm pretty sure you don't need to hurry. O Calcutta or Maharaja Bhog. Bhai, both are my favorite. Both are my favorite, man.
But first, get dressed, no?
Why is all this happening?
I don't know, IDK. You will find out. So Steffi, now you have to make your second choice. What have you chosen?
I think out of O Calcutta and Maharaja Bhog, I think I'd go with O Calcutta.
Okay, O Calcutta it is. Driver, you know where we have to go.
Mavi, matlab you chose this place. But what is this whole thing about? It could be the wrong place.
So, you will find out in another 5 to 10 minutes.
But what are we supposed to do here?
You'll find out. I can't tell you anything. You
What is
also
this
have
happening
studying
with us?
You also
With
have
me?
studying with us. We can't give
You
you
guys are
any.
making me work a lot in the last day of the year.
It is. We can't give you any hints. You just have to like go with the flow. Okay. What do you think is gonna happen?
I don't know.
Okay, we'll find out.
This is very stressful.
All this is stressful.
Because what is this? Why am I sitting in a restaurant?
Wearing a gown.
Yeah, wearing a gown. Why am I wearing a gown?
Just like I felt like making you wear a gown.
She's also wearing such nice clothes. You both are
She's
wearing.
wearing what she wears. I don't wear this normally. I would have like. Thank you. Level 3. So I was right with O Calcutta. So level 3. Hi beautiful, welcome to yours and Mohit's favorite restaurant. Here's your favorite meal. Eat well. Also don't forget meetha. Once you're done with Pet Puja, head to your favorite midnight spot. By now you know that you have to make a choice. Mount Mary Church or Marinia. Choose one and head there. Your next clue is waiting. Midnight spot. I think I'll choose Mount Mary.
Okay, Mount Mary it is. Driver, you know where we have to go.
No.
Are you excited?
Yeah, this is my last thing. Disappointed that I did earlier, but according to a map,
There's something else also.
yeah, so like I'll get my 2 year and then it's the last, right? It's the last 2 years.
Okay.
It's like what Shah Rukh Khan because Mount Mary is here, na? Piche Shah Rukh Khan. Are you taking me to Shah Rukh Khan's house?
Like this. Yeah. I'm taking you to Manna.
Well done, Steffi. You finally reached the last stage. Now all you have to do is answer 3 simple questions. If you get them right, you'll head to the next stage, the final stage. If not, then, well, you'll find out.
we had to take a pit stop because our princess over here forgot her heels somewhere and she was wearing chappals, so we had to buy her new heels, and that is done. So now let's get to your 3 questions. Are you excited?
Yes. What if I can't answer them?
And punishment.
Okay.
Okay, question number 1. Where did you and Mohit meet for the first time?
Rayo's house.
Okay. Cool. Question number 2. Name 3 movies that you've seen without sleeping. With Mohit, obviously.
Without sleeping.
Yes.
Benji.
So much you have to think.
Benji. And
Steph, timer.
wait, yaar, I can't think. I've slept in all movies. What is that Priyanka Chopra movie? Abhi, the one where she.
I can't tell you.
Arey,
You're wearing that color.
the sky's pink. And what other movie I've seen?
Okay, she's gonna get a punishment.
No, wait, I know, wait. I'll tell you. Sky is pink, Benji, and that.
You're gonna get a punishment anyway. Question number 3 is: are you willing to delete garden escapes for your boyfriend?
Why?
Yes or no? You don't have to delete it.
Yeah, okay, I'll delete it.
You will delete it?
What else?
Okay,
If you're asking me if I have to delete it for him, then I'll delete it.
Okay. No punishment
But
then.
I'll be
But we
super
have...
pissed at him. I will not talk to him.
Okay. Now that you didn't answer one question, I didn't want to do this, but you're not gonna see where we're going next.
What is this, yeah?
Shut your eyes for the next I don't know how many hours. You have to
How
be
many
like...
hours?
Yes, you have to be like this.
Oh my god.
You had to answer the movies you did.
Yaar.
And it was a fun quiz, not a very complicated quiz, okay? Okay, we're ready to go to our final destination, which is... I can't tell you. Which is...
Which is?
I can't tell you. Shush. Yes, I'm excited. Okay, let's go. Who are you supposed to find?
Mohit.
And where do you think I brought you?
I don't know. Dadam station.
I'm coming to kiss you.
Okay.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
We're going to Alibag.
Really? No.
Yeah.
No, party's in your house tonight.
Why can't I book an Alibag for her?
Yay!
This is scary, exciting. I'm nervous.
Oh,
I don't know
really?
what's happening. What is happening with me since morning only? I don't know.
What do you think?
I don't know.
Kidnapping.
Kidnapping! We've kidnapped you.
Oh, I'm scared.
Now we're gonna ask your mom and dad for money. Paisa chahiye.
Ask us. Then give me also half.
So we've finally reached, but we are going to some other spot where you're gonna find Mohit. Are you excited?
Yes, but scared.
Yes, we're in the middle of nowhere, but yay! Okay, let's go. Do you want to shut your eyes again?
No.
Shit! Okay, go. Stand up now. You're gonna stand up.
Yes.
Sit down.
Debbie, Sofitel, Elizabeth Kingham. Elizabeth come first. Sofitel first, right? Okay. Firstly, you should be glad you got a great set of friends because they made this happen. And I would want to start off with the alphabets, how all the alphabets describe how great you are, but that's going to take a lot of time. And AK is busy. I mean, AK wouldn't like that.
bag.
Okay.
Sit, please.
So yeah, Steffi Kingham, I just want to say I would have memorized notes, or else I would have written down notes. But I think I know what I have to say when I look at you. So I love you, and I'm glad you walked into my life in the year 2017. Though we started off as just, you know, and I'm glad you asked me out. And I love you, and I want to spend the rest of my life with you. I want to be fed every time I'm hungry. I want to be loved every time I feel low. Every time I feel that yes, life's sad, life is bad. I want you to just hold me and tell me that you're there. The rest I'm going to tell you when we go back probably. So yeah. Steffi Kingham, would you please give me the privilege to spend the rest of my life with you? Please say yes. It's going to be an awkward way. Alright guys, which finger?
Left hand.
Left hand, alright. Left hand.
Steph, come on! Yeah!
Sorry guys, I'm the only one who doesn't have a camera.
Yeah, guys! Champagne guy!
Thank you guys.
Also guys,
Flash off नहीं हो रहा.
मेरा रोना बंद नहीं हो रहा.
right. Also guys, can I have a video? Yeah.
एक एक सबको पहनाएगा.
Please be my forever.
Oh my god! वापस में
Please be
मांगो
my
पहले.
forever.
ये रिंग वापस में मांगो पहले.
Like, I have specially wore rings according to everybody's size.
इसलिए तो
Not my
काउंट कर
size.
रहा था
This is
घर
not
पे.
my size.
No, that's the smallest I have. Saying, this is the biggest bro. Please be my
Salima,
forever. Sorry, too many lights. Too many lights. Yeah. Please be my forever.
Thanks,
Guys,
bro.
I love each and every one of you, and thank you for making this happen.
Love you guys! Did you expect this at all? Like,
Oh bro, what
Thanks,
the
bro.
fuck? Where did y'all come out from?
we were hiding in there. There was no space, no air inside. We were like, okay, आने
भैया मोटर ऑन होगा या नहीं होगा?
छोड़ देना मोहित कह रहे भैया. कहाँ है भैया?
Very good. Halfway to
अच्छा.
For 19.
आराम से.
So I didn't want you to check my phone. So I was secret about everything. That's why I told you I hate you for all your plans turning out last minute. Thank you.
Steph is red right now. Steph, you're blushing, you're crying. Steph,
You won't believe. I was laughing the whole day when I was like telling my father, is he actually got that big that he is supposed to get married now? Like seriously, he's going to propose a girl.
yeah, hey, that's fine.
What lucky girl. Show Papa. Congratulations to both of you. God bless.
Thank you.
I love you. Big surprise. Show Papa.